the main dashboard is everything here. Generations is the generating of AI generated content. Got a whole section on contacts, being able to track all your contacts, your properties, your calendar, anything in the outbox, emails that need to go out, SMS that needs to go out, call list, making phone calls. We've made a few improvements on this. I'm still working on some of the bigger pieces of that, so it's not really where it needs to be, but it's going to get there soon. Templates, creating any kind of template that goes out into the field, as far as email templates, SMS type templates. We can auto generate those and whatnot. And then routines. Routines are the automations that help you do things either through a very systematic process, and certainly step by step through a lot of different things, or by we've got some AI components to that as well. There's Jose. Hi, Jose. Some pieces that we've not released yet, but will be coming very soon, is the social post ability to create social media posts and sending those out. Workflow viewer for those people that come from Revolve and want to be able to see some of the workflows. We have an integration with that. The AI assistants, this is where we're headed. Once we actually release that, we'll go into more in depth on this, but this is where you'll be able to set up all of your AI assistants to be able to do things for you, with you, for pretty much anything that you do. They know how to utilize the system. So a lot of what we're doing right now is just setting the groundwork, the base of the product for the content that's needed for the AI assistants. Once the AI assistants get fully implemented, you'd be able to be in your car and call up Sam and say, hey, Sam, I need to set up a listing appointment for, John Smith, and go through the process. It would make sure John Smith's in there, find that, start the routines, do the processes for you, and let you know when that's done. Maybe you need to set up, just an appointment. Maybe you need to get directions to somewhere. All the things that you can do with smart, intelligent assistants is where we're headed, and that is the kind of the ultimate goal of SAM.